you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't.
Hey guys, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming here. I really appreciate. If this is your first time to be here, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing, liking my video, and also without forgetting to leave a comment in the comment section below. And as always, my mission and my desire is to help you to grow your hair as quickly as possible. And this is what this channel is all about. So basically today I have a review video about the clove oil that I did. I think it was in September. So right now it's about 4 months. So I told you, if you watched the video, and if you have not watched the video, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. So guys, as you know, before I come here and tell you something, it is something that I have really tried and I have seen how it works on my hair. So when I watched and saw many videos about how to make clove oil and how clove oil is so helpful to your natural hair, I decided to just make it and also just to try on my hair and see what happens. And right now it's 4 months since I have been using this oil, and today I just want to share with you my honest review and basically what I think about this DIY oil. So as you can see, I made this video and also this video, so I did 2 videos. So today I want to give you a full review about the clove oil. So basically what I want to say is that this oil, for me, it really did well for my hair, because I noticed some thickness in my hair and also some inches. Like before, my hair was here. I think when it you stretch it, when I stretch it when it is wet, my hair is around this place. I hope you can see it right here. And now I noticed after 4 months, and I have done this in January, I have realized that my hair has increased in length with some few inches maybe. I am not sure, I cannot tell you exactly how many inches, but what I know is that it has increased in inches. So basically my hair was right here, and right now when my hair is wet, right now it's shrunken, it increased. So when my hair is wet and then I stretch it, basically my hair is gonna be almost below my breast nipple, almost below my breast nipple here. So like I have experienced and noticed some growth, and I think also it has to do with a good practice and also having a good hair routine. So basically, if you use the oil and maybe you're not taking care of your hair and maybe you don't have a good hair routine, you will not get maybe the results, because it's a combination of so many things. You need to have a good hair routine, you need to have a good hair practice, and then when you combine all these things, that's when you will be able to get good results. So basically what I can say about the clove oil is that it's a good oil, and basically also I really like the smell. The smell is so good. And for me, for the mixture, I used castor oil, olive oil, and some coconut oil. So the mixture was just made up with the oils that I usually use. So it is something that is so promising. If you decide to try it, and let me know what you think about it. I'm so happy to bring this to you today, and thank you so much for watching my video. And so when I tell you it's a very good oil, you need to try this and let me know what you think about it, because what I made is almost over and I'm going to make another one, because I'm so in love with the oil, and I still have some cloves here. Maybe for those who don't know how they look like, this is how they look like. Yeah. So this is how they look like. Maybe if we don't know, this is how they look like. So I'm going to just add in this mortar, and then I'm going to just heat it, and then I'm gonna mix with the oil. So basically, the previous videos I did not do this. I used the blender, and also I used the boiling method. So you can check the videos here on my channel. They are here, and I also leave the link in the description box below. So I am going just to do like this, and then I'll mix with the oil. Okay.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go, so